I can't imagine what an attorney fee would be to do what a realtor does. An attorney would charge by the hour, and I just went through 90 points of what a realtor does. It would cost way more to have an attorney do this versus having a realtor do it. Number one, an attorney's not going to be working 24/7. They're going to have set office hours. They're not going to be going anywhere with you to home inspections. They're not going to be holding your hand. They're not going to be taking calls on the weekend. It's just a different environment. Realtors are valuable. Yes, certain people can say, oh, I sold my house on my own, but is it really true? I mean, I always say that because I'm a mortgage person and I always listen to people puffing about their rates that they have. And it's amazing when I say, oh, hey, send me your mortgage statement. We'll check it out and do an analysis. And the rate is never really what they said it was. They were like bragging that they had this low rate that they didn't really have. People puff a lot. Oh, I did this on my own. It's so easy. It's not. Trust me, it's not. And if things go south and you're trying to sell a home and you don't get it sold, what did that do for you? You know, how much is your time worth? That's a question you have to ask yourself as well.